Well, they were nice enough to come. So,
Like I just said earlier, there's different kinds of fabrics. These are one of the ones that are trending, that are new now. This is Ashore cake. It's called Ashore
how
cake.
are you guys selling?
We have different kinds of Ashore cake. This one is called basket. You can see that it looks like a basket. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
we
we call
could
it
ask
basket.
the people sitting here
Oh, yeah.
and collect information. Yeah, we should be doing that now.
So you can see them holding like I Sonyo. You can see them folding in each, like an inch or maybe one, and you have inches in. I'm doing this because when you place a hair tie for your head, you need to make it look beautiful, flat, and flawless. But if you like squeeze it together, you just start, see, I started making
That's how I do.
so you just make like an inch or 1.5 inch in so that it will come out. Even after doing that, placing it on your head, you could tell that, okay, I think I'm gonna make something beautiful. You can see. So for this galley, I'm gonna do like 30-70. Like I'll have 30% here and 70% here. Starting from the front. Move it all the way to the back. Then I'll crisscross it, bringing this 30% over to my right hand side and the 70% over to my left hand side. That's just crisscrossing it at the back. But before I start doing that, I want to make pleats. This is called the pleated galley. So I want to make pleats. I'll make a couple of pleats like the one I did for the president's wife. So yeah, so I'm gonna make that pleat. To start, I'll make a couple of pleats, like 4 pleats. I'll need the help of the model. Yeah. I'm trying to make my pleats, my 4 pleats all the way around. Now I'll do the crisscrossing. Getting the 70% to my left and the 30% to my right. Bring the 70% across. I'm leaving the 30% at the back. So bring the 70% across to the front, back to the front. I'll make more pleats. Yeah, I'm just finishing the
Oh, wow.
So I did the knot twice. So it can, then come off when she's dancing because we wear this in Paris. Yeah. So when you're dancing at the parade, you still have your earring on. Now I want to build the pleats so it can be a little bit more, a little bit higher. So it doesn't look flat.
Don't distract her.
I know you all are dancing. 10 more seconds.
3, 2, 1, go.
Are we good, gentlemen?
Oh yeah, we good.
One more second. Okay, okay, can you step back just a little bit? He wants to come up to the front real quick.
3, 2, 1.
Almost. I appreciate your patience. Almost.